Hello, I'm Rob with Custom Fabricating Solutions. Today we're introducing a new product. It's a zero clearance table insert for the Hercules 12-inch sliding miter saw. Here with this kit, or this insert, all that's necessary is having a 15 Torx screwdriver. We're going to go ahead and install it, show you how easy it is, but to save some time we remove the screws for the insert that comes with the saw. This product and the saw will be in the link in the description below. So let's slide your zero clearance insert in there. You want to drop all your screws in first, and then go ahead and start threading those by hand. The screw is very small. You do not want to use a power driver for this. You chance stripping out the threads in your saw. So that's why we would recommend just a driving 15 Torx screwdriver. So I'll go ahead and I'll set these, getting them so they're just snug, just making sure they're below the surface. And that is the last guy right there. As easy as it is, we're making it easier. Custom Fabricating Solutions. Thank you so much.